our Santa Claus is looking pretty jolly, and we have just the right look going on here. We have nice red, we have the nice hair, but if you're under the age of, whoa, well, I just won't say, but let's just say if you're not that old, you may want to consider having some liquid latex. What does liquid latex do? What liquid latex will do is by applying some of this, which we're not going to actually apply it here, but I'm going to show you how to do it because we're happy with our Santa Claus, but you may not be happy with yours. If you want to look like more of an old Santa, you basically will apply some with this brush. Where you would apply it basically is in the under eye region, so basically it'll simulate bags, and then also just do some laugh wrinkles off to the side with it. This will basically, whenever your face will move, it'll crinkle with the liquid latex makeup, and that'll essentially add about 40 to 50 years to your life. Now, it may be that you already have that look going on naturally. Hey, kudos to you. There's an advantage for you. But if you really want to go for the aging look, you can add some liquid latex. But in general, so much of your face is going to be covered by your beard, by the hair, the spectacles, the red makeup. It's definitely only an option.